Days after twin incidents during the conduct of the Rath Yatra, including the stampede-like situation and the Adap Mandap BJ mishap, the Odisha government on Thursday appointed senior IAS officer Arabinda Padhi as the new chief administrator of Sri Jagannath Temple Administration. Padhi replaced Veer Vikram Yadav, who was earlier discharging the role as the Sri Jagannath Temple Administration chief administrator. In his first reaction to OTV, Arabinda Padhi said that everything is Lord Jagannath's wish. Streamlining the conduct of rituals and making concentrated efforts for the promotion and preservation of Jagannath culture would always remain a top priority for me, said Padhi. Given the recent incidents during this year's Rath Yatra, Padhi faces numerous challenges as well. The first challenge would be assisting the high-level committee recently formed by the Odisha government for inventorization of jewelleries and other valuables stored in Ratna Bhandar of Puri Shri Mandir. The committee is headed by Justice Vishwanath Rath. As per the announcement, the Ratna Bhandar is most likely to be opened on July 14th. Apart from ensuring proper coordination with the members of the committee, the new Sri Jagannath Temple Administration Chief will also have to ensure that the rituals and other aspects inside the Jagannath Temple, including darshan by devotees, are streamlined during the entire process. Similarly, the new chief will have to give extra focus on completion of other important events like Bahuda Yatra, Sunabesa and Niladri Bijay in a hassle-free manner. It is expected that Arabinda Padhi will be able to over such challenges as he had discharged duties as the Sri Jagannath Temple Administration Chief from 2012 to 2014 in the past. He was instrumental in bringing in several reforms in Puri Shri Mandir as far as darshan is concerned. Some of the historic reforms include stopping devotees from climbing chariots and touching the deities.